Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage contacts in the privacy and security settings on your Telegram X account easy and quickly. So first enter Telegram X, then go to these three lines and then go to the settings, go to the privacy and security settings, and here scroll down. So as you see here we have this section of contacts. So here you can manage the suggest frequent contacts. You can turn this on or off. This is up to you. Also we have if you want to delete synced contacts, and the last one is the sync contacts. So that's how to manage the contacts on the privacy and security settings easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.